Are you getting stuck with band 6.5 in the IELTS speaking module? Do not get disappointed. Here we have quick 3 tips that would help ace your speaking score in the IELTS exam. Hello everyone. Welcome to the problem and solution series Reel 1. We're going to discuss some useful tips that would help you master the speaking module of IELTS. Tip number 1. Practice speaking in English daily. As we all know that practice makes the man perfect. So engage yourself in simple conversations with friends and family members. For example, you could describe a day to a friend. Tip number 2. Record and evaluate and find your improvement areas. Work on your weaknesses to improve your fluency and accuracy. Tip number 3. Learn to manage your time. Practice speaking on different topics for about 2 minutes to simulate the test environment. This would help you get prepared for the actual exam. So follow all these tips religiously and I'm 100% sure that you would be able to boost your speaking score and get your desired band. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.